Can AI predict the future or make decisions for you? Doesn't that sound almost like a sci-fi movie plot? But then, Google decided to make it a reality and built a digital assistant. And the juicy bit is that they can do way more than just follow commands. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do these AI agents pull off such impressive feats? Well, it's all thanks to their super smart design. They're built with a clear mission to transform the way things are done. From answering customer questions to making factories run smoother, they're on a mission to make life easier for everyone. The recent Google Cloud Next event was a big deal where Google spilled the beans on loads of new AI stuff, chips, and products. But the real stars of the show were the AI agents. Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian hyped up these AI agents that can do specific tasks to help you out. He even introduced 6 types of them that Google thinks will rule the future. Plus, they've made it super easy to build some of these agents with their new Vertex AI Agent Builder tool. Basically, there are some major announcements at Google Cloud Next that you shouldn't miss, especially if you're into the tech scene. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As these AI agents become more powerful, there are important questions to consider. How do we make sure they're always fair and ethical? And how do we keep our data safe from prying eyes? Despite these challenges, the future for Google Cloud Keynote AI agents is looking bright. From small startups to big companies, these AI helpers are becoming the backbone of how decisions are made. They're super important in today's tech world, sparking the next big change. To understand them better, let's break down their inner workings. AI agents use 3 main technologies: machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Think of machine learning as the brain of an AI agent. It's like teaching a computer to learn from its experiences, get better at tasks, and make decisions without needing exact instructions. Then there's natural language processing. This is how an AI agent talks and understands human language. It's why you can ask your AI helper about the weather and it answers like it gets you. NLP breaks down language into smaller parts, figures out how they relate, and sees how they work together to make sense. Lastly, there's predictive analytics. This is like the foresight of an AI agent. It uses data, fancy math, and machine learning tricks to guess what might happen in the future. Basically, it's the magic ball that helps AI agents predict our needs and suggest stuff. These 3 cool technologies team up to help AI agents understand, learn, predict, and chat with us. It's like a smooth dance that lets AI agents do stuff without breaking a sweat, from answering questions to handling complicated tasks. Take healthcare, for example. Google Cloud Keynote AI agents can dive into loads of patient data, spot trends in health, find risks, and even create personalized care plans. These AI agents are also rocking it in customer service. Nowadays, customers want everything super fast and personalized. Well, these smart helpers deliver just that. Imagine a retail store using them to answer customer questions day and night. It's like having a helpful assistant 24/7, making customers happy and loyal. And guess what? These AI agents are also stars in automation, especially in manufacturing. These AI helpers can do lots of cool stuff, like taking over boring tasks to make things faster and less mistake-prone. Plus, they're like fortune tellers for maintenance needs, spotting problems before they happen and keeping everything running smoothly. These AI helpers are super flexible and can do so much. But like any new tech, they have their good sides and challenges. On the bright side, they're crazy efficient and accurate. They can crunch huge piles of data super fast and make smart decisions in a flash. This means jobs that take humans forever can be done in a snap. Plus, AI agents can work non-stop 24/7 without ever needing a break or nap. They also get rid of the chance of human errors, which can make a big headache and take up loads of time. Basically, AI agents are like superhero workers, always ready to bring their A game. But with all these awesome perks, there are also some big challenges, especially when it comes to keeping data safe and private. AI agents need loads of data to do their job well, which can make people worried about how their info is gathered, stored, and used. Plus, as AI gets smarter, there's a risk it could be used for bad stuff as well, like sneaky security problems. But don't freak out, companies like Google know all about these issues and are working hard to fix them. They're spending lots of money on making sure data is super secure using fancy tech like encryption. They're also making rules about how AI should be used in a fair and safe way. AI agents are not just limited to a few industries. Right now, they're already shaking things up in healthcare, finance, and entertainment, but in the future, they could be everywhere. Imagine AI helpers in classrooms supporting teachers or helping scientists with tricky research. They could even lend a hand in managing our homes and daily lives. The possibilities are endless. In a blog post, Google talked about over 100 companies already using these cool agents in real life. Google wants folks like you to be able to make your own agents too using Vertex AI Agent Builder. Sounds awesome, right? But it's got a long way to go. But hold on, it's not all smooth sailing. Right now, these agents still need a lot of manual tinkering to work properly, and they're far from being totally independent. Roadster reckons by 2025, AI will start making decisions with just a bit of oversight, especially in certain fields at first. Then, it'll spread out and affect all kinds of work. At a recent Google event, Uber's CEO mentioned how AI agents are making their work easier, but at the same time, they're cutting down on the need for agencies. It's a win for Uber, but not so much for those agencies. It's not just Google diving into the world of AI agents. According to Roadster, everyone's jumping on the bandwagon. They're all working on similar stuff. Google's approach is to make specific types of agents easy to understand and use, speeding up the process to get them out there. This means AI talent hubs everywhere, not just in Silicon Valley, are in a race to develop these agents. While the big AI agent revolution might still be a few years off, it's smart to start thinking ahead. These agents are going to shake things up from how companies use agencies to staffing and even training programs. Google Cloud made a bunch of updates, like rolling out a new powerful GPU-based instance called A3 Mega made with NVIDIA. Plus, there are new storage options that are perfect for AI, a new AI accelerator called TPU v5p, and some cool features for dynamic workload scheduler like calendar mode and flex start. These updates are pretty important because they show that Google Cloud is teaming up with NVIDIA and keeping up with the needs of big AI projects. Google Cloud shared some neat examples of how businesses are using AI agents to make their work easier. DASA, a big medical company in Brazil, is helping doctors spot important info and test results faster. Pepperdine University is using Gemini and Google Meet to translate captions and notes for students and teachers who speak different languages. And there's more. Canva is using Vertex AI to make their magic design for video features smoother. Carrefour is using Gen AI to jazz up their marketing on social media, with campaigns taking weeks instead of months. Procter & Gamble is using Imagine to whip up realistic images and creative stuff faster so their teams can focus on big plans. Roadster believes they'll become a huge part of our daily routines, impacting just about everything we do. So it's time to start getting ready for the AI agent takeover. Do you think AI is as dangerous as Elon thinks? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, see you all.